Here we are at the fascinating Sochi Autodrom in Russia for what is expected to be a compelling race weekend. Well, it all begins today with practice. Anthony Davidson is here as usual to help take us through the action. And I've seen some questions on social media and other places about this current crop of F1 cars and why they're so much faster now, despite being significantly heavier than the previous generations of machines. Take us through that one.
I'd be happy to, Crofty. And simply put, it's a matter of grip. Now, that comes from two sources. You have what we call mechanical grip, which comes from the surface of the tyre sticking to the road. And these tyres are significantly wider now when compared to previous years, so they have the potential for more mechanical grip. Then you have the downforce, of course, which pushes the car into the road as the air moves over it, thus generating grip. And these cars have about 20% more downforce, which is more than enough to overcome the added weight.
Все изменить, где-то ответы, но задыхаюсь. Нашу любовь не переплыть. Еще один день не закричала на рассвете, что нет тебя. Но еще один день, я знаю причалы. Я так хотела все повторить. Еще одна ночь, и я просто молчала.